JSW Steel has been certified as a great place to work, and our objective is to be amongst the top 25 great place to work in this country in the next few years. We are making sure that we build an organization that is sustainable, that really contributes in the growth journey of the company, develop the right talent and provide the right opportunities to talent within the organization.
As the organization is growing, whatever we used to do in HR in person or manually, it's not possible. So to reach to the last mile, digitization is helping us immensely.
The automation, the digitization, the kind of efforts that we have been taking in all our business processes is making us more and more smarter through the digitization focus that we have.
We have been driving this HR digital transformation basically to achieve three objectives. The first one is to enhance our employee experience in terms of the HR service delivery. We are looking at a 24/7 HR service delivery to all our employees on their palm tops and on their mobile devices. The second piece is around manager enablement. And today, if a manager has to take a HR decision or a people decision, they don't have to reach out to HR when they are making any such a decision. The third piece is around creating an ecosystem where all our vendors are fully integrated, and therefore we capture all the data that is available and draw key insights.
Learning and development is the whole canvas of developing our employees. And this is the canvas where we look into the individual need of each and every employee as well as the requirement of the business. And then we merge both and come up with various learning interventions.
Our focus currently is to make sure that in terms of gender diversity, we are rightly placed. The whole intent is that with this diversity, we will make sure that there is a new thought which comes into the organization, new ideas, new innovations which come in, and which help the organization propel forward in its growth journey.
We focused on two major areas. One was how do we make the environment more conducive and make JSW an attractive place for women to join us, and what we can do to have leadership development and career progression for the women who are already working with us.
We started to identify roles which can be given to women employees so that there are women across all the functions. Women employees were given the option to choose their mentors, provided them a lot of comfort and confidence to work in different roles which they have never experienced in the past.
Consciously, what we are looking at is gender diversity at this point of time. However, age is also one of the things that we look at, and we are including a lot of our graduate engineers from campuses who are in their 20s. So on the inclusion bit, age is what we are looking at very consciously, and the gender part.
There is a large scale expansion happening, and we are going to have state-of-art facilities. Not only the technology but also a state-of-art township and the entire ecosystem which is going to support millennials to work in the plant. We have provided a very high quality of life which is not generally available outside those townships in different locations or even in the metros.
I can't be more proud in saying the kind of culture transformation we are taking because we are looking ahead. So when we are looking ahead, while we are treasuring everything that is there with us, but we are also taking the new step in terms of going to the next level.